Hey guys, it's Frank from Earth MotorCars, and look what I just brought you. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, and what makes this car super special, not only this little emblem right here, it says Yenko right on it, but everything else about the car. So what we've done here is we've taken this 1969 Chevelle in this absolutely beautiful Le Mans blue, and we turned it into a Yenko clone. If you don't know who Yenko is, Don Yenko started back in the day pulling these blocks out, putting aluminum blocks in it and making them super high horsepower. So they were known within the racing community. What I'm presenting to you today is this clone of what a modernized version would look like. So braking, four-wheel disc brakes all the way through. You can see the caliber of paint, all the bright work, shiny as it should be. The Yenko emblem, the 427 emblem right there. Super, super great running car. The striping is correct, what the factory car looked like back in 1969. The wheels are amazing. These are American racing wheels, and what they were made is they were made to look like what the hubcaps used to look like. The only difference, if you look behind it, you got your bare four-wheel power disc brakes. This thing has all the stopping power that you can imagine. It was correct with this kind of top on here as well. Some people chose the option of the vinyl top, some people didn't. I personally love the vinyl top. If you look at through the body alignment and all the panels, the way they fit, everything is nice and snug the way it should be. How much you would expect a very expensive car to be. This car not being in that category because it's not very expensive by any means. Guys, let's check out what's underneath the hood. Voila. There you go, guys. Look at the monster 427. You can normally tell a big block from a small block just from the size of the engine. And then if you look at the valve covers, you can see the size of the valve covers as well. This car was painted correct in Chevy orange, so you can see that there. The manifold is a high heat manifold spray on it. All the Yenko cars would have a 427, 450 horsepower car. What makes this car super special is this little thing right there. There's modern air conditioning. So you're taking an old school car, modern air conditioning, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, you got yourself one hell of a car. Let's check out the interior. Local builder here in the Dallas area built this car, but you can see the caliber of the interior of this car. It's really true to what the original looked like. The only difference is you can see the seats, the different stitching color. You can see the suede inserts, and there's a little more foam on this than the factory would have. Carpeting is pretty correct. Door panels are all done in suede, and I'm excited to take you guys for a spin on this thing. This is one incredible car. Let's go. Now that we're inside the car, starting the car, I turn the key, I don't touch the gas or anything. Pretty unusual for a carbureted car to start like that, but we do go through our cars. Just the sound of this car, anytime you're driving a big block, a GM big block per se, the drivability, the sound is unmistakable. You know exactly what you're driving here as well. With the power steering and the power brakes, while I love original type classic cars, I'm much more a Restomod guy, and that's just because these things are so much easier to drive. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a load of power. 0 to 60 in this thing in no time at all. It's holding the road perfectly straight. The brakes feel exactly what you would expect a 2020 Camaro to be like. They don't make a Chevelle anymore, unfortunately. But once again, we can do stuff like this when you use power steering. I mean, it's a simple radius turn, right? And pretty incredible car. We're gonna do one more little fun thing real quick. What are we gonna do? And back in the day when Yenko was building these engines, there was a lot of burnout. So you guys, would love for you to come check out this car. It's a great opportunity to buy a Yenko tribute car for about a quarter of the price of a real Yenko with much better performance.